Get ready.
On the 7th of November 2025, a brand new Zootopia attraction will open in Walt Disney World's Animal Kingdom, replacing the long-running A Bug's Life attraction housed inside the Central Tree of Life, It's Tough to Be a Bug. This new 4D cinema show will bring guests into the world of Zootopia, meeting characters from the world of Zootopia such as Judy Hopps, Nick Wylde, Chief Bogo, Flash and more, with voice actors Jennifer Goodwin and Jason Bateman, as well as the Zootopia film director Byron Howard and writer Jared Bush, all reprising their roles to bring the best version of Zootopia to Animal Kingdom. Before we take a deep dive into the details of this new attraction, please give this video a like to help us with the algorithm, and consider subscribing to our channel if you enjoy this type of content. With that out of the way, let's jump into the details. Get ready. Zootopia, Better Zoogether. With the Zootopia film coming out in 2016, it feels like it's been a long time coming for the franchise to have a permanent flagship attraction in Animal Kingdom, with the themes of the film tying in so closely with those of the park. The filmmakers actually did research at Disney's Animal Kingdom prior to making Zootopia, studying walking styles, fur patterns and behaviour to guide the animation of the film. The timing of Zootopia Better Zoogether's opening is perfect though, with Zootopia 2 being released in theatres a few weeks after the opening of the attraction on the 26th of November. The timing is likely what allowed the key people from the films to be involved in the new attraction, and Walt Disney Imagineering Senior Creative Director Danny Hanke stated that elements from Zootopia 2 are interwoven into the new attraction to ensure it's completely up to date in the Zootopia world upon opening. The premise of the attraction is that guests are joining Heidi Howler, a TV presenter, as a live stream of Zoogether Day is broadcast in Carrot Vision 3D from various locations across Zootopia. Zoogether Day is a celebration of unity across the various biomes in the city of Zootopia. Some promotional posters suggest that we will be joining Judy Hopps at Hopps Family Farm, watching an ice ballet in Tundra Town, seeing a synchronised swimming performance in Marsh Market, experiencing a drone show in Little Rodentia, and hearing a musical performance from Gazelle in Sahara Square, all while being hosted in the studio by Heidi Howler. Officer Clawhauser is due to make an appearance too in the form of an animatronic. On top of all of this, there will be a new meet and greet area for guests to meet and take photos with Judy Hopps and Nick Wylde in Discovery Island near the new attraction. Shanghai Disneyland has a Zootopia-themed trackless dark ride similar to Ratatouille called Zootopia Hot Pursuit. While Animal Kingdom's Zootopia attraction will be nothing like that in terms of format, they could potentially share similar story elements. In Shanghai Disneyland, the jeopardy of the story is that Gazelle has been kidnapped on her way to performing a concert, and it's up to Judy Hopps, Nick Wylde and the guests to find her and bring her back to the venue. This is speculation, but given that Gazelle is due to perform in Better Zoogether as well, the Animal Kingdom attraction could follow a similar story. With It's Tough to Be a Bug closing in March of 2025, this refurbishment will have a relatively quick turnaround of just 8 months, suggesting that the format and layout of this attraction will likely be very similar to its predecessor, swapping out the underground nature theme for a more modern metropolis theme. While I'm old enough to remember the hype around A Bug's Life back in the late 90s, the film is 27 years old now and perhaps doesn't have the same legacy as other early Pixar films like Toy Story and Finding Nemo. It's Tough to Be a Bug was always at risk of becoming defunct, but Zootopia definitely feels like a fitting replacement and a good thematic attraction for what will sit in the centre of the park inside its landmark attraction. It's Tough to Be a Bug ran for 27 years in total, which is a pretty good run all things considered. Do you think Zootopia Better Zoogether will last as long? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our list of the best quick service restaurants in Animal Kingdom. A link to that video will be on screen now. Are you excited for the opening of Zootopia Better Zoogether? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And now you're ready.